Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. Connect to the fleet. Go to the Settings menu, where you will select the option Carrier Connect. At the top, enter US. In the empty field. After entering, click on the Connect to Fleet button. And EZLOGZ will pull up the name of your company, the address of the main office, a state, a city, and a zip code. Confirm by clicking on the arrow at the top right. Ready. The request is sent to the company. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.